Here's how to turn off read receipts on Instagram messages using Android or iPhone. If you want to read Instagram messages without the other person seeing the seen status, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section, then tap Messages and Story Replies. Now, tap Show Read Receipts. You'll see a setting that says, Others can see when you've read their messages. Simply turn this toggle off. Once it's disabled, people won't be able to see when you've read their direct messages. Just keep in mind that when read receipts are turned off, you also won't be able to see when other people have read your messages. And that's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more easy-to-follow Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.